All right. I was on my way from the chapel and I heard one coming from the east going west. It's cleared the defect detectors. But then when this one's going east coming from the west. So I'm going to get possibly a 2-for-1 here to Galatea crossing. Single locomotive intermodal. Switch this way. It's a windy and rainy night. That one's on track 2. The other one would be coming on track 1. The one's coming from the east. It's a very windy night. Kind of a risky move coming out here. Possibly. This one's booking. That's the locomotive up front. I imagine he's going to have a DPU on it somewhere. A little extra light with my bright lights. Really help when they catch the one coming the other way, but he has not cleared the DPU or the defect detector yet. So it might be a longer one. Either that or he's actually going east also on track 1. But I think he's going west on track 1 coming my direction. We'll see here in just a moment. Yeah, this is definitely a longer one. Fast as he's going, let's see what DPU, if it has one, where it's at. No DPU. That's interesting. All right, we'll stop the video here and see if that other one comes through.